Hi guys, what are you doing?
I made a salad.
What have you got on your plate?
Clean cucumber and clean tomatoes cherry.
Oh, Arina, what about you?
I'm grating a carrot.
Wow, and you, Dasha?
I grating a chips. Cheese.
Okay, and what stuff have you got on the table?
Cabbage, the green peppers, bread, cheese, aubergine, radish,
Beetroot, yeah.
peanuts, onions, and no clean carrots. Oh my god! And cucumber.
Wow, and who remembers what's this in the yellow plate, in the yellow bowl? What's this?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Wow. Dasha, what vegetables do you like?
I like tomato and cucumber.
Wow,
I
and
like-
you, George?
I like tomato and cucumber and cheese and
And you, Arina, what vegetables do you like?
I like green peppers. I like lettuces. I like tomatoes. I like cheese. And I like cucumbers. I like carrots. And I like lettuce.